Hello and welcome to another higher tier revision video. Today I'm doing a page from the higher tier revision workbook from Edexcel. This is page 121. It's quite a common topic of frequency polygons. So let's start straight away. Jay asked some people how many minutes they each took to walk to the library. The table shows information about his result. So we've got our groups of times and we've got our frequency. On the grid, draw a frequency polygon to represent this information. Right. So I'm going to start and just looking at the exam report, I would agree with that. I don't add an extra column. I would just tend to write the midpoints next to this. So the midpoint here is 5, 15, 25, and 35. And then that's the information that I would plot. First one's plotted for us. We always plot the midpoint for a frequency polygon. And we've got 5 and 3 already plotted for us. Our next one then is 15 and 8, which is going to be there. Our next point is going to be 25 and 10, which would go there. And then our final point is 35 and 4. Okay, interesting. We don't need the back end of that. We then want to join that up with a ruler. I don't have the luxury of a ruler here, so what I'm going to do is I'll just stick this onto another page. Just because I can use a ruler on this. And we just need to join the points up. And there we go, that's my frequency polygon. We don't join it to 0, 0, and that's how we would leave that. Okay, write down the modal class. So that's the group that contains the most frequency. So that's going to be 20. So 20, 30. Let's just check. It was T. So there's our modal class. Okay, question 2. We've got no scaffolding here, but same process applies really. Kerry records the mass in kilograms of 70 ornaments, and we've got our groups and our frequency. On the grid, draw the frequency polygon to represent this information in the table. So again, I'm going to introduce the midpoint. So we're looking at 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then we plot those points. So at 3, we've got a frequency of 6. We've then got 4 and 10. We've then got 5 and 15. We've then got 6 and 22. So these are going up in 2s. And then my final point is at 7 and 17. And then we just wanted to check that first point. Yep. Okay, and again, I'm going to bring in my tool so I can use a ruler. And again, we just need to join those points up with a ruler. This is a bit slow, I do apologise. I have to scroll it round. There we go. So that's what my frequency polygon is going to look like for this one. Okay, and the second part, write down the class interval that contains the median. Okay, so that's the one that contains the median. If we've got a total of 70 ornaments, then the median is technically going to be found in the position of 70 plus 1 divided by 2, which would be 35.5. So I'm really looking where the 35th value and the 36th value fall. So I'm going to keep a running cumulative frequency is a technical word. I'm not going to go all the way, but we've got 6 that are 3.5 or smaller, 16 that are 4.5 or smaller, and then we've got 31 that are 5.5 or smaller. We still haven't found the median though. So it's going to be 31 plus 22. It's going to give me 53. So that means that the median must fall in this group. So the median class interval that contains the median is between 5.5 and 6.5. And then we ensure that we've got the correct symbols. And there we go. Okay, there we go, and that is that page. Thank you very much for your time in listening. I hope you found that useful. And again, that was section 121, frequency polygon from the higher tier revision workbook by Edexcel. Subscribe if you like.